Heather. Today we're going to do one of your personal favorites, washing machine. This is a good pose to help release if you're worried or angry. Helps you bring yourself back to the center, feel clean of all those icky feelings, and just kind of start over. It's been a little while since I've done it, but you're going to want to start by standing in standing mountain. Your feet are a little bit apart. If you can remember our squares, the parents is about a foot apart. Have your feet grounded there. Whatever pose, if this is a little bit more comfortable for you and you're not going to tip over, that's fine. You don't want to be doing the split, although if you need to move your feet out or in a little bit, that's all right. So I'm going to be starting in standing mountain. Your shoulders are up high, arms are by your side. Your knees are a little bit bent so that you can move. They're not stiff. Relax your knees a little bit and begin to turn from side to side. And put this down for a second. You're going to let your arms be loose and floppy. Feel that for a minute. Just breathe. You can go slowly or fast if you want, not too fast. My knee just cracked. Just notice how your body's feeling. Don't turn so far that it hurts your body. If you want to swing around you can swing a little bit farther, just make sure you're not going to hit anything. And watch out for the sharing plant. As you're doing this, you might be thinking about something that makes you feel sad or grumpy, angry. You might be worried about something, someone. So we're just going to wash those out. Go deep into your body. How's your heart feeling? You might feel kind of empty. And what I like to do when I'm feeling that way is I like to add in a little, what I call love soap. And I'm going to add some love soap by thinking of things that I love and people and pets that I love. Like my dog Hunter. You can't see him, but he's right across from me. I'll close my eyes and think about those people, pets, places, things that make me happy. What's in your love soap? My family is not near me, but I'm adding them to my washing machine. I'm going to wash out those bad feelings. Think about my family. Think about you. Think about my dog and my cat. Did you add some love soap yet? You feeling a little bubbly? All right, we're going to move a little bit faster. Really wash out all of those bad feelings. And start to slow down. Let your body kind of hang a little more loose. Feel what your body's feeling. Close your eyes, feel the movement. Maybe take a little stretch. We're going to dry off all those wet hands, those bad feelings. Make sure they're really gone. Dry off, dry off, dry off. Give yourself a big towel hug. Whew, I feel ready to start the day. How about you? Remember to do that whenever you're feeling a little worried, a little frustrated. You're gonna wash out those bad feelings, add some Love soap, and then dry off. Give yourself a hug, don't forget. All right, I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.